Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into Zapier, what it is, how it works, and how it can automate your daily tasks and save you tons of time. Whether you are a small business owner, content creator, or just love productivity tools, this video is for you. So, first of all, search in your web browser like Zapier. What is Zapier? Zapier is a web-based automation tool that connects your favorite apps and services like Gmail, Google Sheets, Shopify, Trello, Notion, Slack, and thousands more. It allows those apps to talk to each other and work together automatically, no coding needed. Think of Zapier as a middleman that watches for events in one app and triggers actions in another. Zapier uses something called a Zap. A Zap is a workflow made up mm, of two parts. The trigger, the event that starts the automation. The action what Zapier does after the trigger. Here's a simple example. Trigger. You get a new lead in Facebook ads action. Zapier adds that lead to a Google Sheet. Boom. No manual copy pasting. You can also build multi-step Zaps, add filters, conditions, delays, and even use AI-powered features with ChatGPT. Let's build a quick Zap together. Step 1. Log into at zapier.com or create an account. You can create your account with Google. Click sign up with Google. Choose your account. Then click continue. Now follow the process like what's your role? Engineering. What's your company size? 1249. And top apps for engineering like Gmail. You can select one from here or skip this question. Once you are in, choose a trigger, click create Zap. Now choose a trigger app, for example, Gmail. Select a trigger event like new email received. Connect your Gmail account and test the trigger. Click connect account and select your Gmail account from here. Then click continue, then allow. Now set now set your action app, let's say Slack. Choose send channel message. Customize the message. You can include data from the Gmail email like subject or sender. Test your Zap and turn it on. Now, anytime you get an email, you will get notified in Slack automatically. Here are a few powerful use cases for Zapier. Marketing. Add new Facebook leads to MailChimp. E-commerce. Auto notify customers via email when orders are fulfilled. Project management. Turn new type form submissions into Trello cards. Social media. Post new Instagram photos to Pinterest. Finance. Log Stripe sales into Google Sheets. With over 6,000 plus app available, the possibilities are almost endless. Zapier offers a free plan with 100 tasks per month and single-step Zaps, perfect for simple automations. Paid plans start around $19.99 per month, allowing multi-step Zaps, filters, and conditions paths like if then logic. More tasks per month, premium app integrations like Salesforce, Salesforce Zendesk, etc. If you are spending too much time doing repetitive tasks, Zapier can change your workflow and your life. Start with one small automation and you will quickly see the power of automated productivity. So that's it. If this video helped, give it a like, subscribe for more no-code automation tools, and let me know in the comments what you want to automate with Zapier. So thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Stay tuned.